So we got another Matchbox. What's it called? Adventure City Street Cleaner. I have one version of this already, and I knew I didn't have this one because it's not as nice as this one, I'll say that. All right, let's pull it out, see what we got. All right, cool. Upside down. Very sharp. Like I said, lots of good detail. What does that do? I don't know. Underneath the wishes, I guess. Lots of good detail in there. Absolutely. Nice wheels. Yellow interior. Very nice. Street sweeper. Loving this thing. This goes in the top shelf, guys. My collection. There's different variations, and this is enough that's very nice. Thanks for watching.